All right, so a lot of people, especially on my YouTube channel, been asking where have I been? Why haven't I been posting videos? I took a little break from YouTube and whatnot. Posted videos here and there, but not like I used to. So that's about to change. Starting Monday next week, I get a lot of people asking about how-to videos on push button starts. So Monday, I'll start doing videos on how to convert cars, trucks, SUVs, whatever, to push button start. The first one would be 2004 to 2007, 8 Grand Prix. Guy asked me, can I do a video on it? Besides many other vehicles, I'm gonna start with that one because I told him I would start with that one. So it would pretty much be like a layout of how to do it from start to finish, how to take the dash apart, all the way up to how to unlock the gear shift to where you don't have to use a key on some vehicles. Some you do, you have to break the blade, put it in there, some you don't. So I will be explaining all of that. And I will also put the link up from the push buttons that I actually use that you can get on Amazon. And of course, do have a shop here in Mesquite, Texas. So if you like, I'd rather you do it, then I can do it here or come to you and do it as well, like I've been doing, and I still do now. So starting Monday. Oh, and also remote starts, because I get a lot of people asking about like the older Silverados on doing the factory remote starts. So I'll be doing that as well. So remote starts and the push button starts, videos will start Monday. I have them uploaded no later than 8 p.m. every Monday. Maybe before 8, but no later than 8 every Monday starting this coming Monday. So get it started so you guys can do your own car, because I can't be in all 50 states. But here we go.